Well, hello there, YouTube. I'm going for a little ride today. I gotta wait till the evening when it gets about 97 or in the 90s anyway. 97 in my shop, which is hot. I got a mini split coming, but finally. I'm gonna make a Walmart run with some batteries, a couple little items. That creek up. We live so far out in the country, any direction I have to drive at least 10 or 12 miles to get to a store. Back at the old house, it was just across the street, across the highway, like 5 minutes away. We don't have any more, don't have HEBs up here, which kind of sucks. The biggest grocery store we got is Walmart. We got some, what are those, Brookshire Brothers, and I like those, but they're nice. They're just a little small. It's nice to get out though. I have been getting out every now and then. Like last night I made a Walmart run too to get some groceries, and I pulled the trailer with this thing, and man, I can load up groceries with that thing no problem. There's Interstate 30. I live right, you can hear it from my neighborhood. Sounds like it's echoing from the trees, but it's way out here. It's echoing from my trees. Bah. I'll be turning on a little bit. Bah. Oh, this is nuts right here. We got to yield to the traffic entering the freeway. Now, he's already coming, so I'll have to wait and see where he's going to go. Now, he's not getting on, so look at the holes. That's terrible. The road's really bad. Now I go under and go on the other side of the road. I don't get on the freeway though, because this is not a nice freeway. I always thought 35 was bad, but this is kind of worse. There's a drag strip right here. Man, you hear these things roaring. They got funny car, what do you call them? Dragsters, not funny cars. So it looks like they're gonna do something on the 4th of July weekend. I don't see any out there, but you see all the motorhomes. People travel around on the motorhomes. It's really cool though. It's really loud. You can hear them roar from my house. The go-kart track right up the street too. Right up that street. This road's really rough on the Spyder. I think it dances all over because the road's just bad. This might be where the Bajaran bar might come in handy. Once I get up here, it's really not bad right here, but it really dances up here. You really got to hang on because it'll shoot right off the side of the road. Let's see if so you see it dropping off on each side. See it bouncing around. It's just the road this bad. It's just this frontage road is pretty bad. Not right here, but up here a little ways. I like to get out and ride though. Once it cools off, I'll start exploring my new area. Right now all I do is go down this way and go to Walmart, go up that way to go to Greenville to Berkshire's or Lowe's. And mostly Walmart. Got a really nice high school up here too. This great stadium lights. I'll turn it on a little bit. Bye. Okay, here's I've been to Greenville a lot, but never downtown Greenville. So I saw a sign instead of going to Lowe's where I was going to go. This is downtown Greenville. I've never been here. Nice. Never been downtown Greenville. Neat little place. Neat place. Ah, very cool. Nice churches. Very cool churches. I'll keep going straight, see where I end up. I want to go to Lowe's, see if I can find a little, see if I can find a little rubber belt for my, got a 60 disc CD changer that the belt got really stretched, and all my CD changers were in storage and now none of them work. They just got, oop, there's downtown. I should have went that way. Gotta do a U-ey here. I saw something a little bit more. Gotta do it here. I saw a bunch of motorcycles down there. Wesley. I can get on Wesley to go to Lowe's, but different Wesley probably. Very cool. I like downtown Greenville. The Force boxing. Very cool too. I don't know what's going on there. Like a movie theater. How nice. Yep. I think that's a one-way street. I don't think I can go that way. Weird. Armstrong Appliance Center. Oh, neat. Downtown stores. If I lived here, I'd be shopping downtown. Keep these stores going. American Grill. Max American Grill. Neat. Oh well, I'll go back to the highway. Or not to the highway, but to Lowe's.